Yeah, hi. Evening, Enzo. It's Mark FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD for you. It's all working. The fault was the laser. You already knew that, I guess. Everything else is mint in there. It's it's beautiful. It's like new in there. So it's not had millions of hours of use, or it's been in a club or anything like that. It's really clean. It's a nice bit of kit. Got old software on it. It's only 5.0 software, but yeah, it's still good. But yeah, that's all done for you. That short part there. So yeah, I'll just fire it up for you, and you can have a listen. Just turn the volume up. There's my little test CD there. But it's all working, and I've had it on bench now for quite a few hours. Well, most of the evening, to be honest with you. Just playing away while I've been doing some other work. So let's turn it down. Yeah, so it's fully working. I'm just going to push it up in tracks. So I'm just going to put it up. Another track. Right, so I'm going to go to track 10. Alright, and then I'm going to go straight back to track 2. It's just sort of shows it all fully working, you know, where it's skipping through the tracks without making any like stepping. Does that make sense? Because what happens is the cogs miss, and because these cogs are tight, nice and tight, they don't chatter, which is really good. So yeah, you got a lovely bit of kit here. So that's going to go out to you tomorrow. That'll be going out. That'll be going to go out signed for delivery, so that'll be first class. You get that Saturday morning. You got a 6 months parts warranty on this. All right. If you need it, that covers you for the laser and labour putting it in and doing it. So that's all good. I ask, please leave feedback. When you're all happy and it's all fitted in. Appreciate it. Thank you very much for the business, and I hope you have a great Christmas and plenty of music. Thank you. Bye bye.